How to activate HSBC debit card. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will guide you through on how we can activate our HSBC debit card. So let's just go ahead with the process, but before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon, and also turn on the notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. Head over to the hsbc.com and open up the HSBC banking official banking website. After that, after you have successfully reached, you can head over to the contact section and you're gonna directly find this option called activate. Otherwise you can go to the help center and you can look up for this option, and here are different process that is available, so you can follow this process. So number one method is activating with the mobile bank. In order to do that, you just need to log in using your biometrics or your secure key and then tap on the account for the card you want to activate, manage cards, and then select active card and choose the card you want to active and confirm it, and now your card is active. Second one is activate with online banking. You may just head over to the online banking, go to manage and then select your activate card, choose the card you want to activate and review the information displayed and select confirm, and your card is active. Another method we have is activating by phone. You can go ahead and call out for the automated line, the available number on my screen, and you can directly search it for on Google and you can find the credit card numbers. And after that is done, we have the other option of activating at a cash machine. If you have a new card and it's not your first debit with HSBC, you can activate the card at an ATM. You just need to make a PIN transaction such as cash withdrawal or balance inquiry at a cash machine, and now your new card will be automatically activated. And that's it. Those are the methods you can follow in order to activate your debit card. So therefore go ahead and follow the steps, and I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.